Okay, so we are on page 119. We're doing problem 2. We have 12 times 12. So the first thing you're going to do in the partial product step to solve this is you're going to multiply the ones. That means we're multiplying 2 times 2, which is what, Bowie?
4.
Yes, ma'am. Next step, multiply the ones by the top tens place. Meaning, we're going to multiply 2 times 1. Jacob, what's 2 times 1?
2.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Now, you're going to place a 0 in the ones place value.
What is that? The four. The four? No, I said 4. 4.
Which one? Here?
That letter, it said 4.
This?
No. The top. That's
Oh, the top. Okay. Thank you for telling me that I need to clarify that. Sometimes I'm not very neat, and I need to make sure that I am neat. Thank you. So what we're going to do is we're going to place a 0 in the ones place value. Sorry, let me add beneath. So on the next line. This tells me that I'm no longer skipping to the ones. Why? Because now we're multiplying but the tens by the ones and the tens by the tens. So next we're going to multiply bottom tens by top ones. So 1 times 2. Jasper, what's 1 times 2?
1 times 2 is 2.
Yes, sir. Very good. So 10 times 2 is 20.
How'd you get 20? 4 times
2
2.
times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. That's how we got 24. Now this is a partial product. So this over here is a partial product. That's a partial product, and that's a partial product. Thank you. Yes, I'll drink the water.
Who is the water monitor? No, it's what? Oh,
No,
sorry.
I-
Oh my gosh.
This week it's partial, but
Doesn't matter.
I will always take a good announcement to drink my water because I will always forget. Thank you. Okay. So we multiplied our bottom tens by our top ones. So the 1 times 2, that gives us 2. And I'm actually going to have to, this is why I asked you guys to use pencils so that you can erase when you need to. I have to back up that plus sign because I now get to multiply my tens by my tens. Okay? So multiply tens by tens. So now you're going to multiply 1 times 1. Philip, what's 1 times 1?
1.
Thank you. You're like, Letty, why are you asking me these questions? Now we're going to add our partial products. You're like, Letty, I know how to do this. I understand, but you need to be able to show your work. That's what they're looking for. They're not just looking for your final product. They want you to show your work. If you're not showing your work, you are not completing the task. So we're adding partial products. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus nothing is 1. Your final product. I'm circling it because that's my signal to you that this is the final answer. Final product is 144. Now, I know some of you are looking at me like, Letty, I know my times table chart. I know 12 times 12 is 144. I believe you. But we need to be able to show the work. Now, you don't always have to label this, but you have to be able to show your work. I'm going to give you a moment to write this down.